'tis he will have the fun, and ye the baby.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Atlantic County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, south central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, until 5:45 p.m. At 1:48 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Egg Harbor City, Tuckerton, Surf City, Port Republic, Bass River State Forest, New Gretna, Wading River, Beach Haven West, and Mystic Island. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.